Hello everybody. Today in math we're going to be talking about counting in order and putting our numbers in order to 10. We're going to talk about how you can count on from 10 to 10 from any number. So even if you started at 3 or 4, you could count on until you get to 10. Counting in counting order is just counting by ones. We're not skip counting. We're just starting at 1 and counting up to 10 like we would. So you're going to get this workbook page out of your packet and get your name on the top. Now, there are a lot of examples of practice on this. I'll do one with you to show you what to do, and then you're going to work on the other ones on your own, okay? All right, when you get your name on there, I want you to put your finger right here on the number 1. We're going to start at 1, and we're going to count up to 10, and we're going to touch each number as we say it. Everybody ready? Finger on 1. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. We're going to come down to the bottom and we're going to trace some of those missing numbers while we count to 10 this time. We start with 1, and then what comes next? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. That's just counting in counting order by ones to 10. Now, these pages can get a little tricky, so what's very important is that you make sure you're by the right number, you're doing things in the right row, or else you'll get all mixed up. I'm going to do this one with you to show you what to do on these 3. Then I'm going to explain the directions on the back, and then you can come back and do the ones we did not do together on your own, okay? So for each one of these, the first thing you're going to do is count the counters in each 10 frame and write the number underneath it, okay? Then you're going to pick the smallest, the least number in that group, and you're going to start with it, and then you're going to write the rest of the numbers in counting order. I know that sounds kind of confusing, but we're going to do this first one together, okay? So first, let's look at these red counters. How many red counters do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to write a 4 on the line, down and over, back to the top, big line down. There's 4 red counters. They've done the purple ones for you. There are 3 purple, so we can just trace that 3. Let's move over to the green. Let's count those together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green counters. So I'm going to make a loop and a hoop and make my 6. Let's count the yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Across the sky and down. Let's count the dark blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross, down, backwards, C. Alright, so we've counted each of those, and now it wants us to think about which one of these numbers is the fewest, the smallest number. If you were counting, which one of these numbers would you get to first? You'd get to 3. That's the least. So we're going to start down here with 3, and we're going to keep going from there and put our numbers in order. They've kind of given you the 3 here as a hint. So which one of these numbers comes after 3 when we count? We say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are our numbers in counting order. All right? So that's what you're going to do on this one. You're going to count each set of counters. Underneath, you're going to write how many. Then this one, you're going to start with 4 and put the rest of those numbers in counting order. You're going to do the same thing here. Count and write how many. Start with 5 and put them in counting order. Count and write how many. Start with 6 and put them in counting order. And then on the back, we've got a little mid-chapter checkpoint. We've got our test coming up next week, so we're kind of getting ready. So I'm going to give you the directions for this right now for you to do, and then you can go back and finish those ones you needed to do on your own, okay? So put your finger on the red apple. I want you to draw me 10 counters and write the number 10. Then down here, it says they've used 6 blue, and we're going to have to figure out how many red to make 10. So I'm going to color the 6 blue first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get your crayons out and color 6 blue. How many does that leave to be red to make 10? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write a 4. Color those 4 red. 6 plus 4 is a way to make 10. Down here at the bottom, I want you to mark under the number that is missing. If we were counting, we have 7, 8. What would come next? Mark under the number that would come next if we were going in counting order. When you get these things done, I want you to go back and finish up these 2 pages, do your counting and putting your numbers in order. We'll talk some more next week. We're going to get more into comparing numbers, talking about greater and less than, and then we take our test next week too.